Struggling to find the best Android apps in 2026? Here are 5 must try free apps that can boost your productivity, simplify daily life, and completely upgrade your phone experience. At number 5, we've got an app that might completely fix the way you organize your entire life. And I'm not even exaggerating, this is Todoist, a planner and task manager that's quietly becoming one of the most trusted productivity tools in the US with a 4.7 rating and over 10 million installs. But wait, there's more. The real reason people love it is how effortless it feels. You don't build systems here, you just dump your thoughts and it organizes everything for you. You can literally type something like submit report every Friday at 4 p.m. and it auto sets your schedule, reminders, and priority. And this is where it gets crazy. You can even use voice input with Ramble to record. Just talk normally and Todoist turns it into structured tasks instantly. Most people miss this part. But it also works like a full habit tracker. Recurring tasks help you build routines like gym days, study plans, or weekly goals without thinking twice. Plus, it syncs across your phone, tablet, and desktop in real time. So your life stays updated everywhere. Lightweight teamwork, calendar views, boards, lists, everything just feels simple instead of overwhelming. Join over 50 million users already using it as their second brain. Next, number 4, we have Spotify, and this one is absolutely dominating in the US right now. We're talking about a music and podcast app with over 1 billion downloads, a 4.4 rating, and more than 33 million reviews. It's basically on every phone for a reason. Spotify lets you stream millions of songs and podcasts instantly, build your own playlists, and discover music that actually matches your vibe. But wait, there's more. Most people don't even realize how powerful its recommendations are. Daily mixes, Discover Weekly, and Release Radar literally learn your taste over time. And this is where it gets crazy. Spotify's AI DJ feature can actually guide your listening like a personal radio host that already knows what you like before you even search. You can also listen offline with premium, skip ads, and even play music across devices from your phone to your car, smart TV, or gaming console. The real reason people love it is simple. It turns random music searching into a fully personalized experience that just feels effortless. And you can share playlists with friends, collaborate in real time, and even find concerts near you. At number 3, we have Google Gemini. And honestly, this AI app is changing how people in the US get things done every single day. This isn't just another chatbot, it's a full personal assistant powered by Google's latest AI models with 4.4 rating and 35 million plus installs already. You can talk to it like a real person using Gemini Live. Brainstorm ideas, ask questions, or even share your screen and camera to get help on exactly what you're seeing. But wait, there's more. Instead of boring text replies, Gemini gives you visuals, timelines, and super clean breakdowns that actually make sense fast. And this is where it gets crazy. You can connect it straight to your Gmail, calendar, YouTube, and Google Photos. So it can summarize emails, plan your day, or even pull info from your own files instantly. Most people miss this part. You can upload documents, notes, even spreadsheets, and Gemini turns them into summaries, quizzes, or deep insights in seconds. And if you're creative, you can generate images, design posters, or even build simple apps and web pages just from a prompt. It also helps with studying, research, and productivity using tools like Notebook LM for deeper answers based on real sources. The number 2, we have ChatGPT for Android. Now here's the wild part. It already has a 4.5 rating, 1 billion plus installs, and over 47 million reviews worldwide. But wait, there's more. This isn't just another chatbot sitting on your phone. You can literally generate images just by typing an idea, or even edit existing ones in seconds. And this is where it gets crazy. You can tap into advanced voice mode and actually talk to it in real time like a real assistant. Need help planning your day? Done. Struggling with homework or ideas? Easy. Even snapping a photo and getting instant explanations? Yeah, it does that too. Most people miss this part. It can also help you write emails, business ideas, travel plans, and even content scripts like this one. The real reason people love it is simple. It saves time and thinks with you, not just for you. From learning to creativity to everyday problems, it basically turns your phone into a smart assistant that never sleeps. At number 1, we've got Google Photos, rated 4.5 stars with over 52 million reviews and a massive 10 billion plus installs worldwide. This isn't just a photo gallery, it's your personal AI powered memory vault. With 15 GB of free cloud storage, your photos and videos back up automatically, so even if you lose your phone, your memory stays safe. And the editing tools? Next level. You can remove unwanted objects with Magic Eraser, fix blurry shots using Unblur, and instantly improve lighting with smart AI enhancements. Searching is wild too. Just type something like beach sunset with friends, and it finds it instantly, no scrolling forever. It also organizes your life automatically. Duplicates, screenshots, and albums are all cleaned up for you. Plus, you can lock private photos in a secure folder. It basically frees up your phone, saves your storage, and makes your memories way easier to relive and share. And that's the top 5 Android apps for 2026. Try them out and see the difference yourself. Stay tuned for more daily app gems you don't want to miss.